Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about threads in operating system. A thread is a single sequential flow of execution of task of a process, so it is also known as thread of execution or the thread of control. There is a way of thread execution inside the process of any operating system. Apart from this, there can be more than one thread inside a process. Each thread of the same process makes uses a separate program counter and a stack of activation records and control blocks. Thread is often referred to as lightweight process. Why we need to have a thread? It takes far less to create new thread in an existing process to create a new process. Threads can share common data. They do not need to use inter-process communication. Context switching is faster when working with threads. It takes less time to terminate a thread than a process. Let's discuss about the types of threads. In the operating system, there are two types of threads. First one is kernel level thread, then the second one is user level thread. Let's discuss more about it. User level thread, the operating system does not recognize the user level thread. User threads can be easily implemented and it is implemented by the user. If the user performs a user level thread blocking operation, the whole process is blocked. Kernel level thread, it recognizes the operating system. There is a thread control block and process control block in the system for each thread and process in the kernel level thread. Kernel level thread is implemented by the operating system and the kernel knows all the threads and manages them. So this is all in this video. If you like our channel, do click on like and subscribe for more videos to watch our videos. Thank you.